Introducing the Digital Grip Force Meter Analyzer software, PC version, for process and service diagnostics from Kitagawa NorthTech. This integrated intelligent software tool and kit helps you easily and quickly measure, analyze, and determine the grip force of your lathes and turning centers like never before. The PC Grip Force Analyzer software version comes bundled as a complete kit with carrying case, super powerful Bluetooth dongle loaded with PC Analyzer software, digital load meter, and the handheld pendant for manual diagnostics, testing, and measurement. The software has 4 easy tabs to navigate for setup, running tests, and metrics. The home page is the software's main screen with easy-to-navigate tabs, which includes machine parameters, settings, diagnostics, and an About section. The first tab on the left is the Machine Parameters tab. It lets you input information regarding your machine and application, such as number of spindles, gear pages, maximum RPM settings, and G-code addresses for dwells. The Settings tab displays grip force in newtons, kilograms force, and pound force. It also has settings to disable or enable data collection and create and save a sensor log file. The Diagnostics tab gives you the actual live reading of the software connected to the sensor. This is where communication from the sensor and software takes place. Upon installation of the software, this is the main control software screen that you will be working in. The Kitagawa USB dongle is plugged into your USB port. Note there is a red button on the screen that is indicating that it is not connected. When you push the Bluetooth icon on the digital grip force load meter, it will start flashing. Then click the Bluetooth icon on the screen of your PC. As you see here, it will quickly then connect as indicated via the button that was flashing red is now flashing green. This tells you that the digital grip force load meter is now successfully connected to your laptop via the USB dongle, and you can proceed with testing. On the load meter, there is a suspense that you can set back and forth to adjust and properly fit the actual grip force pads to make sure that they are at the center of the gripping diameter in your chuck. Note here a red dot, which is for mounting the yellow ring magnet. Here you can see the load meter with the yellow ring magnet mounted to the mag base and centered up in the machine. As you spin the chuck, you see the light turns from red to green. This tells us that the tachometer is now active. Moving on to prepare the test, you see the grip force meter has latched onto the software via the Bluetooth dongle. It shows a reading of 30 newtons. We want to zero out the reading by resetting the sensor. Just click the Resetting Sensor button. Now that the sensor has been zeroed out in the software, we now reinsert the digital load meter into the chuck jaws, making sure it fits flat against the chuck jaws so the sensor comes up concentric. The grip force meter is now chucked against the jaw face and running concentric. Placed over the end of the digital grip force load meter, the mounted yellow ring magnet is what gives us our pulse for RPM readings, since we're not reading the actual C-axis encoder. As you spin the chuck, you see the light turns from red to green. It tells us the tachometer is active. Enter parameters to run your grip force test. Input maximum RPM. Click Start Test in the right-hand corner of the software screen. Enter desired maximum RPM and number of sampling measurements. It's that simple. You're now running the grip force measurement test with the Kitagawa Digital Grip Force Analyzer software. It is now recording data as indicated by the plotted grip force measurement taken from the actual lathe. As the RPM rises, the grip force drops off very slightly, demonstrating once again that Kitagawa chucks maintain tremendous grip force. As further verification, it shows here that the settings are saved. Start manual test has been initiated, and we're collecting important grip force data. Here is the RPM and grip force data, now dropping off from the mass effects of centrifugal force. Now that the test has stopped, press Done. We now see the full grip force measurement taken and plotted from the Digital Grip Force Analyzer software from Kitagawa NorthTech. As just shown in this demonstration video, the Kitagawa NorthTech Digital Grip Force Meter Analyzer software and kit is an indispensable, powerful tool, ideal for all process and service diagnostics of your machining centers and operation. It will help you reduce grip force issues and increase productivity and profits.